Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the MT15 so the engine idles at operating temperature. Cold settings lie and will change. Once warm, park securely, engage neutral and disable accessories. You need a tachometer or phone app to read RPM accurately, so connect it now. Then locate the throttle body and the small idle adjustment screw near the throttle linkage. Observe the lock nut. Make a baseline RPM reading before touching anything so you can measure change. You now make controlled adjustments. Loosen the lock nut and use small, deliberate turns, 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn, so you don't jump the idle too far. After each tweak, wait 10 to 15 seconds for the engine to settle and watch the tachometer. The idle needs time to respond. If RPM climbs above the target, back out the screw slightly. Make sure to compare to the manual spec. Precise idle reduces stalling, improves throttle response, and prevents excess wear. Once you hit the target RPM, red-tighten the lock nut while holding the screw steady and recheck the reading to ensure nothing moved. Then start the bike cold next time and do a short ride test to verify stable behavior under real load. If the idle fluctuates or won't reach the set point, make sure hoses and airbox seals are tight and cable free play is correct. If the idle won't respond at all, suspect a faulty throttle position sensor, vacuum leak, or ECU control and seek diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.